Hello everyone, we are here today to present the new Every Denizen MPI 1104 Easy Apply Premium Wrap. And we are going to show you that it's going to be the perfect choice for a three-dimensional wrapping.
Always work at ideal room temperature and ensure the surface isn't cold, so that the adhesive can bond better.
It's important to remind, this is not a wet application. The technology of this material has been developed for a fast and dry application.
Let's give you some technical tips. In between the printing and the lamination, we have to let our film outgas from 24 to 72 hours. Thanks to its unique construction, installers can use it to work solo.
This is premium wrap, and the benchmark confirms that the slidability is superior in this category. This glides, so I can position it perfectly without any initial grab frustration. The premium wrap has a low initial tuck and a high repositionability. Once it's in place, I apply pressure with the squeegee to activate the adhesive. It's more forgiving than other materials. Here is a massive advantage: 100% blockout, the opaque face and the gray back ensure that the color of the printing doesn't change. For 3D corrugation, follow the technical bulletin 5.9.
Every Denizen MPI 1104 Easy Apply PW may require slightly more preheating to ensure it conforms nicely into corrugations.
This makes the difference from competitors. Final step, post-heating. Heat the recesses and the edge till 90 degrees to kill the memory and lock the film in place for a long durability. When it's time to take it off, we recommend to use the heat gun for a clear removability.
It's super easy to remove and saves you from wasting any time cleaning up messy adhesive.
MPI 1104 Easy Apply PW. Stop fatty your vinyl. Easier, faster, cost efficient.